So yesterday we Gaco'd this roof. We got the plywood on, put the drip edge on, and we Gaco taped it and Gaco'd it. And then I did not realize, but rain was coming in a few hours. Luckily, it had about 3.5, maybe 4 hours, and the rain started. So I was quite worried about the roof. Overall, it looks really good. We have one spot right there, and that's because of the up above roof comes down and hits right there. So that's okay. I was going to make that thicker there anyways. So when I Gaco tape, I'll fill that in and let that harden. Now right now I need to do some flashing here anyway, so I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to do the flashing, get that all ready for Gaco tape, and then get that at the same time. So this is after 3 to 4 hours of curing at night, and it made it. Now you can see we're a little thin here. I had someone helping that wasn't as careful, so I need to touch up these spots too when I go over it. But for the most part, it's sealed. It's there. Time to do some flashing.